Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and in our recipe today we are going to make fish curry. This is a vegetarian version of fish curry and it is 100% vegan, and so without delay let's get into the kitchen. But before that, I welcome those who are watching first time this video. I would like you to press the subscribe button and the bell button, and so that whenever I post a video you will be notified. And this is a Lenten special for all Christians. It doesn't apply for Christians alone, but for anyone who's watching this. This is regardless of faith, race or religion. So let us get into the kitchen without further delay. Our first ingredients, we'll go with the dry spices. I have Kashmiri red chili powder, here 2 tablespoons. I have turmeric powder, which is half a teaspoon, and I also have red chili powder, regular red chili powder, 2 tablespoons. And I also have 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and I have 2 tablespoons of Panch Phoran. Panch Phoran, it's a 5 kinds of ingredients that is mixed up together, and I also have a video, I'll leave the link below. And salt for to taste. These are the dried ingredients that we are going to use in our recipe today. And also to go with cilantro is for garnishing, and I have 4 tomatoes, and I also have a few shallots here, and I have 1 large red onion, and I have a pot of garlic about this size, 1 whole pot actually, and I have a handful of okra or lady's finger, and I have a few sprigs of curry leaves, and I have 3 brinjals, and I have 2 red green chilies, and I also have a bowl of tamarind extract. And also we will be using oil to cook this, so we will see what are the ingredients more to get into the kitchen. Let's get into the kitchen. Dear viewers, our cooking process begins like this, and so we start off by preheating the pan in medium heat, and also we'll add 4 tablespoons of oil. 1, 2, 3, and 4. If we are running out, we will have more later. Dear viewers, our oil has been heated up, and now it's we can all add the Panch Phoran masala. And cover them for a few minutes. Dear viewers, the colors of the fenugreek seed has changed, and now we can add the other ingredients, which will be a few ingredients. And right now we will add our curry leaves. And also we could add our garlics, and we will add our onions as well. The shallot goes in, and the chopped onions goes in. And at this stage we could add half a teaspoon of salt. This will ease the cooking process of the onions. And we'll saute them until the onions becomes golden brown. While the onions are getting roasted, we will add the green chili. Viewers, as time to time in between we are supposed to just stir it a little bit, and so that the onions and the garlic will cook evenly and also will become brown in color. Dear viewers, the onions are changing its color to be golden. At this time we'll add the tomatoes. And we'll let the tomatoes cook till it's mushy. We'll pour some water a little bit just to ease the tomatoes to cook faster, and give it a quick stir and let it cook. So we will wait until it becomes mushy, then we will add the next ingredient. Dear viewers, the tomatoes has become mushy about 90%. At this time I will be adding all the spice powders, and I'm also adding cumin seeds at this point. And this is the fish curry powder. I forget to mention, it's about 2 teaspoons. And you give it a quick stir. And at this point we shall add some water. I have added some water, and now it's just a quick mixture, and we will let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes for the spices to be cooked. Viewers, it's been 2 to 3 minutes, so let us make sure that the spices are well cooked. I believe it has been cooked, but we will allow another few more minutes for the spices to cook, and I'll add some water into it. Water to be added. And sometimes it gets stuck in the bottom, so you just got to scrape them out a little bit. And with this we shall add our tamarind extract. We will check on it if it's become thicker or light. And I think we shall need more water. And at this point we will let the tamarind extract to come to a boil approximately about 10 minutes. Dear viewers, at this point I'll be adding another half a teaspoon of salt. let it come to a boil. And at this point as well, I'll be adding some of the vegetables, which is the brinjal, and the drumstick. And as it will become thicker a little bit, so we'll just add a little bit of water more. And to thin down, maybe a little bit more. Alright, right now we will let it boil until the vegetable gets cooked. Our curry is coming its way, so the vegetables are getting cooked, so we will let it cook continuously until the vegetables are cooked. Then we will check out what happens next. Hello viewers, the curry is already has already been boiled and the vegetables are already been cooked well. So at this time we can add some little bit of jaggery or sugar. And give it a quick mix, and we are about to finish the curry, and at this point we can add the fish. And we had in our previous video we have already made this type of fish for fish fry, and we'll just add that into our curry. And at this point, if you're using a real fish, you can add the real fish at this point. If you are having a real fish, please do not stir it because the fish will start to break. And at this point, we just leave it as it is, and the fish will soak up the curry over here. Also, dear viewers, you can add some extra curry leaves right now. Also, it's just to give a better taste for the curry. And also we can add our cilantro. Dear viewers, the cilantro to be added. And dear viewers, it's time to turn off the stove. And also we shall add our okra, or the lady's finger, just on top, and eat the whole thing, and it will cook by itself. In the steam itself it will cook, and it will provide a wonderful, tasty, delicious fish curry. Many of you will be wondering why I'm adding okra. In Malaysia, most of the fish curries are added okra. And finally, turn off your stove cover and let it cook by itself. And dear viewers, this is our final product for the fish curry. And we have fried fish, as you could always refer to the link below on the description box to see how the fish fry has been done. And I also have a fish curry with fish, and I also have added few vegetables in it, and also with green chili. Those who wish to eat the green chili, you can eat with green chili or just eat it without it, or any stir fry veggie. So this is how it has been made. And also we have okra as well. Usually we add okra in our curries, and so this is how it is being made. So I hope you will try this recipe for the month season of Lent in the Fridays, or in any day during the season of Lent. And also you will comment below how does it tasted in your side. So do not forget to follow me with more videos for the Lenten season. And for those who are new, do not forget to subscribe and also press the like button and the bell button, that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Thank you very much for everyone for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, and welcome aboard for all the new one. Blessed season of Lent to all Christians who are observing it. Well, this would be a better thing, and it's also a 100% vegan dish. See you in my next video.